Welcome again, folks, to Math with the Real Floater. Yeah, man. I trust that you've been enjoying the journey with me, similar to how I've been enjoying presenting the information to you. Alright, so today we'll be getting into a little bit about algebra. Let's look at substitution. Alright, where we have, if we have an algebraic term, such as 2y plus 3, let's say we have y is equals to 4. Okay? So this algebraic term, guess what? Before I even get into this, you should know this. 2y is the same thing as 2 times y. Alright? But in algebra, we don't put this multiplication sign right here. We just say 2y. But we all know that 2y is the same thing as 2 times y. Alright, so that's fine. Good to get that out the way. Alright. So we say, let's say y is equal to 4. What would this expression be? This will be equals to 2 times y, which is 4 plus 3. And we all know that we do the multiplication first before we do our addition. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3. So this algebraic term, if y is equals to 4, is equals to 11. Let's look at some examples here. We have x is equals to 3, y is equals to 4, z is equals to 5. Let's look at some algebraic expressions. If we have 2y plus 4, what is this equals to when you have the value of y? The only unknown we have in this equation is the value of y. So this is equals to 2 times y, which is equals to 4, plus 4. Which is equals to 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Let's say 3y plus 5z. We have y and we have z. So we have 3 times y is 3 times y is equal to 4 plus z is equal to 5 plus 5 times 5. This is equals to 3 times 4 is 12 plus 5 times 5 is 25. So this algebraic expression is equals to 12 plus 25, that's equals to 37. Alright, let's look at this one. We have 14 minus 2x plus y. Alright? We have x and we have y. So let's go ahead. So this is equals to 14 minus 2 times x, which is what, 3, plus y. This is equals to 14 minus 2 3s, 6, plus 4. This is equals to 14 minus 6 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So our answer here is 12. Let's look at some powers. So if we know that 2 squared from our topics of indices, this is equals to 2 times 2. This 2 represents multiplying this by itself 2 times. So if we had 4 raised to the power 3, this is equals to 4 times 4 times 4. We multiply this 4 by itself 3 times. Me don't say like what, go on, don't. Yeah man, so do the right thing. Give me a subscribe, make sure say I share it, and of course, click that notification bell at the same time. Let's get back to the topic now. Let's say we have 2x squared plus y cubed. This is equals to 2 times x, x multiplied by itself 2 times plus y times y equals to 2 times x is equals to 3. 3 times 3 plus y is equals to 4. 4 times 4 times 4. Alright. Equals to 2 3s 6. 6 3s is equals to 18 plus 4 4 16. 16 times 4 is 64. Equals to 8 plus 4 is 12. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So we have 82. 3z squared minus 4y squared equals to 3 times z 2 times is 5 times 5, so it's 3 times 5 times 5 minus 4 times y times itself 2 times 4 times 4 equals to 3 times 5 is 15, 5 times 15 is 75 minus 4 4s 16, 16 times 4 is 64 equals to 4 from 5 is 1, 6 from 7 is 1, 11. Addition of algebraic terms. 3x plus 2x is simply equal to 5x. Alright? But if we had 2y plus 3x, these terms are not the same terms. So this cannot be broken down more than how it is right here, which is 2y plus 3x. What you need to do is to group like terms together whenever we're dealing with algebra. Let's look at this example where we have 3x minus 2y plus 2x plus 6y. So we have x and we have y. So we group them together. So we group our x and our x together, then we group our y's together afterwards, alright? So we have our 3x plus 2x, remember the sign. Then we have our minus 2y plus our 6y. From our previous classes, we would have known that 3x plus 2x is just 5x, minus 2y plus 6y is the same thing as plus 4y. We would have done this already in our previous class, so you can go back and look at our number line tutorial. If we have a positive number or letter times a positive, this is equals to a positive. A positive times a negative is equals to a negative. A negative times a positive is equals to a negative. Look at this now carefully. A negative quantity times a negative quantity is equals to a positive quantity. Please remember this. And all of these rules right here, the same thing governs division.